Hey guys, Dotson Guice here with MarineMax here in Charleston. Today I want to show you guys a new listing I've just picked up. This is a 2011 Egret 189 bay boat. This boat was just detailed, as you can see, in navy blue hull with the Mercury 200. This boat was originally set up to be a tender on a mega yacht, so it's got the tow points right here on the nose as well as on the interior. This boat has 89 hours on it on the Mercury digital shifting engine. This boat is composed of carbon fiber and Kevlar material. Feel free to check out their website or the link below to learn more about the particular brand. This is a one-off custom build. Got a 7-inch garment at the dash. Dual live pumps here in the transom. Your larger one being right here in the back. Huge live well. Again, there's the complements of that carbon fiber. And all of the lids will show that. There's your other port live well. You have starboard storage, same size as that live well on the port. You have a poling platform with ski pylon at the navigation, kingfish rod holders, step that folds out there. See your wide helm seat with backrest. Those are movable. Huge storage access underneath, twin batteries with battery charger. Here's our dash there, everything in working order. Large storage in the bow, composes of the forward console cushions, as well as the dive ladder, look at those in the pictures, and cutting platform that goes on top, right there and there. You have end gunnel storage that is locking. On the port side, you have the storage for the collapsible carbon fiber push pole. Same storage on the port's starboard side with rod storage. Vertical rod racks on the side of the console. Guys, if you like to look forward or need any more information on this boat, feel free to call me at 843-747-1889. Again, this is Dotson Guice here in MarineMax in Charleston. We look forward to seeing you guys on the water with this beautiful Egret. Thanks for watching.